work for you. Nothing did there, now just arrangement, Those Africa person, now so we, our people, when they come, French people, if they go commission, you go see say their people go, they help them, they arrange good story for them. But black, we where they speak English, we dey dangerous. Now make I say African man, if you want help Africa person, not try say you want help and say tomorrow him go appreciate you. Not try reason that mind. Say you want help Africa person, say tomorrow him go come praise you, say this boy, he really helped me. You go rather come say, no, the boy himself, he not help me, he dey do pass himself. Now be African man. You no go, even though now one minute help, you help him, at least you need to appreciate. But African man go tell you, say, no, you not help me. Now be Africa, we will never appreciate anything where we by ourselves, they do for ourselves. Now be we. So me, every year they talk, say, if I want to do something for person, I don't need to even, I'm not the expect say tomorrow can't appreciate me. Because me, my life where I dey. Sometimes some people they go say, Hassan, why they promote you, they do this. Me, they do things if I wish to do, now be my life. If I wish to do, I go do for you. Some people they go bring their business to me, say, Hassan, promote this my business. I go tell you, say, yeah, we need to do a contract, you go pay me. But some I go just open my own heart. Say, I won't do for you. So you what they do for you. If you by yourself get sense, say, this boy, they help me. Bro, correct this. Bro, ma give you this. Yes, I appreciate. And if you don't give me, I don't care. Because now me use my mouth and my platform say I won't do one. And you know, if you force me. Now there's sometimes some people me with they no encounter. If you come, I go say pay me. Who I say I won't do for free? Now me decide. Because the day where they create my YouTube channel, nobody say he put me on a platform, say I'm gonna subscribe to Blacks in Europe. So sometimes if I see some people, they go say, Blacks in Europe, you don't want to support anybody. Now me saying you say can't do YouTube. Not be me saying you. And the people where I open my mind say, yes, I won't push these people. I tried my best. Some they appreciated. Some they show say, yeah, this boy, you really tried. Every day they use Chidani as an example. The time when me see Chidani, in a blogger on his own, in channel don't already monetize. Now just small thing, he asked me, say, ma help and do. Now help and set the thing. The things have now two things you request. Say, Hassan, this thing, I don't know as I will take one more. Now it's okay, send me your email and your password. He don't know me, but he believe me, he send me an email with his password. Now set for her. I set one, the other one, my computer not going to allow me to do. Now tell us, say, guy, the computer not allow me, so now so he say, okay, thank you, I really appreciate. The next thing now he call me, say, Hassan, send me your account details. Now say account details where you won't do waiting. He say, I'm gonna find small thing for you as you help me set the thing. The thing I call they say, to help you set something, you won't pay me. He say, yeah, you don't try now because this thing, you don't stress me. Now so they tell they see good person. That people say, Hassan with you, they call it. Me, my life, if you understand me, we can live life more than 10 years. Nothing will happen because I be person where be like say, I know they look say you be Ghana or you be my friend, so you don't wrong. Man, not talk. I go tell you. So the moment where you won't make friend or you won't come close to me, start to learn that character. Say Hassan where I don't decide, say I won't make friend with her. If I misbehave, you go talk. So I go feel stand on that. If you go feel stand, we go feel be friend. Because I hate friend where I say you they do mistake, but in they look you. Say the thing are wrong thing. If they look you, may you do fall into victim. Me, I not be like that. I go knock am for your head. So those people where they don't like truth, they will converse. And myself, I'm not saying you. Now be my own character. Because my life, I don't need competition. I don't want to compete with anybody. Now me by myself, I dey compete with myself. If yesterday you two pay me 1,000 for a month, I go stand, I go say, no, God, next month I won't get 1,001. And they always they compete with myself, not another person. Because we are different people, different caliber of people, different character. And we brought up and grown up in different locations. That's one thing where we need to know about life. So sometimes if I see some people, they are pissed off. Say Blacks in Europe self, they do pass himself. I know one guy, where the guy, Now on YouTube like that, now we jam. So way back in 2020, yesterday I posted one video about some things, but as I post on some people, they pissed off. But some people will get sense, they appreciate waiting I post. I said throwback how we started. One of the people where we started with, that time me a blogger on my own. That I did my own blogging, I did blog. Now I got that guy say, guys, the team only do more and join me. Now do little for some. Some appreciate. Some come they talking direct to me. Some they come they talking direct. I look them and laugh. Now say relax, more natural. We dey here, more natural. No, but we don't they fight too. So he get one day, one of all these young bloggers. Now he can't call him fellow young blogger. Say he get one thing, he won't ask that him fellow young blogger. He called the young blogger, now him fellow young blogger, they tell and say, no, guy, now I know the pick call. If you want to talk to me, you need to send me message. He say, hey, no be you when me with you, they learn work under blacks in Europe. Even the blacks in Europe, where even they promote me and you, sir, we they call them for phone. Even though they work, they answer. Because you get 1K view today. You say you know the pick up. Me where you know the pick up. Man, send you voice record. I call you, you pick. They tell me, say, man, I call the call, send you voice record. Did they where did it happen? I they work now, the brother call me. I don't mention your name. Now he call me, now he say, blacks in Europe, you are blessed. If you be like our people, you for not mention any blogger name on your platform. If you be, he talk categorically. Say, if you be like our people, he mentioned, say, if you be like our Nigeria people, you no go ever promote anybody. He talk me no one just mention name. They watch me, but I don't want just mention name. Yesterday video I post, he there inside that video. He said blacks in Europe. See how many views they make, how many subscribers they get. But inside they pick people call. But you today where you never even reach anywhere. You they tell me say you know if you pick my call. No be say you don't know me. Oh. You know me. All of us now we they learn make our channel big. Now tell them say now so life be. It good. As no be me do. Now your fellow Nigeria person I do you. It good. Because if na Hassan, they go say the Ghana boy not get respect. The Ghana boy they arrogant. So as in fellow person do, we go know as he go take talker. Me every day they talk I say my life, the way I live my life, now God will just bless me because me my life, if I do you good, I not like receipt. I they drop everything for karma. You never see musician where sing one music, the music can't blow. The music blow, the whole world they hear in it. But from there, none of the music don't blow again. When I never see that. When I never see musician where come 3 years it rain. From there, you know rain again. You know they. So that's why always I keep on saying, say, to blow, no be the issue. To come on top, no be the issue. But to stay relevant, that be the issue. To stay relevant, that be the issue. That's why every day I say, compete with yourself, not others. Compete with yourself, not others. I know people where don't go pay thousands of euros. They give people another blogger. May they promote and make him blow because he thinks say he won't blow to shame Hassan. And them. I don't blow big bloggers. Big ones. I don't na me let them blow. Big ones. Where themselves they see you like small pikin. So if you go pay thousands of euros, may they promote you from this blogger to this blogger. Say now you they waste your money because the time when me I start YouTube, only blogger where me know say that time they talk about documents as I start was Black Malik. A Ghanaian man. Only blogger where I know. But ask Black Malik. One day, Chatan Hassan say Black Malik. The time where Hassan started, he get one day where he come say Hassan, Black promote me, ma pay you this. I never chat Black Malik. I dey watch I never chat her. Before I even chatted Black Malik, was recently me with one of my G those days, Bright Future TV. we get some misunderstanding. I Black Malay call our too. Now there I take get a number. Because I don't kiss ass. I don't kiss. I know they do so I won't go follow. I dey on my own comfortable zone. He said, bro, which cream you they use? Your black, my black they shine. My sister, if I tell you cream why they use when I go laugh. Man, not tell una. Una know what be the cream name self? Una know Vaseline or vaccine? No. Now Vaseline now they use my people now Vaseline. I don't get any cream now Vaseline. If I go farm work on, I go just rub my Vaseline. So now Vaseline now they use. You can see my face now. If now other cream you go see say the color gas be now Vaseline now they use. I don't get any cream. Well, ma show una mo una see. Ma show una. Men not come like say black Europe and they like. Black Europe, I get time for my view. When I see this one, I don't use this one finish. I don't use this one finish. When I see her, so the new one where I buy, you know, deal €2.70. Or not like yes, €2.70. When I see her, so I don't get time. I don't get money. I be poor boy. I don't get money to go buy Caro White. So me now vaccine I just they use the hair. Yeah, that's it. There's be that vaccine that they use. So na blessing of God. God already create us. This one. Thank God. Good angel. He said, "Guy, you talk too much." Yes, I dey entertain my people now. So nobody call you. So you feel go. So my people now so it be. You understand? So the thing is, if you dey your own comfortable lead. Not care about anybody. Focus on your own life. Because if me they hear and for my ears say they say why you know they do this. We don't do night time rich, we say we don't rest. You know. So me if you call me say why I no promote you, why I do this. After all, no be me say you say call you too. Because you know if you go expect Dangote say you go call Dangote say you don't open cement company. So may you can't use the money to invest in your cement company, may you own big. Not be by force, if you wish. You understand? So, so me, I dey talk. Recently, there is one of my G, where be like say, Ide Ghana. The guy, now my best friend those days in school, Ide Ghana. Now, the guy, he can't call me one day saying Papa they sick. And the Papa to na man wey be like say I like the man where. And true, I don't hear say in Papa they sick, he don't take. More than 2 years now, the man is sick. The boy they walk, but the sickness of him papa, it can't be like sickness where they don't spend a lot of money. So the guy don't go down small, money no day again. And the man, they don't still admit him for hospital. Now he call me, and they go and say, gee, see what thing they go on. I need money. Where we go to support the man. Maybe we carry and go hospital. So the money where they need was 1,800 Ghana cedi. Who be Ghanaian in need that money? 80 million, 1,800 Ghana cedi, which is equivalent to naira, almost 200,000 naira. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, almost 200,000 naira or more. Now they need. So they don't try to go borrow. Nobody they borrow them. Now he call me, tell me. So I can tell her, say, oh, no problem. I go see what thing I go feed you. I will see what I can do. So the next day, now send money. I send the actual amount where in ask. I not send giver. I send give one of my Papa junior brother Iniesta. Now tell and say, go give, because that time they do house project for them. So the assas and the Iniesta now they look the house project what they do. He can't say the money they won't use and buy cement. Now I say no, I won't use and do another thing. Go give this also person. In Papa they sick, may they take go cure. Why they talk this story, I get the reason. So as they won't deliver the money, now Iniesta can say, the money mean a small boy. I know if you go deliver this amount, give the boy. So give on to your Papa senior brother, will be imam for the city. Make him give the money to that your friend. So as they call the boy, can say, come, we get something to discuss with you. Now they call me on phone say, now which agreement they on the money where you don't give your friend? Because Ghana they do paper if you borrow person money. Now tell them say no agreement on the paper. The boy na my friend, na my best friend. Now me open my mind say I won't give the money to her. May they take off him papa. Any year when they feel like say they don't make the money, they won't pay a collector. If they not see the world end, may they continue. Why? They can't say but anything get agreement. Now say no. Because the boy na my best friend. And they do one out of the heart. I know they do say the money ma benefit. I know they do say I won't benefit on the money. And they do say I know the person I won't give her. I know they give her tomorrow, may you come praise me. And they give her if he wish to do or pay back if he don't get her. Right. If you don't see. Now my friends. Now all of us divide. Maybe tomorrow, me say go need another help from her. Maybe not be money, oh, no be money. It go be another thing I need. Serious. Guy, I need this thing, or maybe now I go get that. So me, if I dey help person, I know they help you because I dey fear you or because of something. No, I dey do for you tomorrow. If you like, if you appreciate, you self do and back. If you don't appreciate, no do. The word of karma, it dey. Somebody don't do something 10 years ago. Now today the thing they affect her. But you not gonna say now that thing where you do 10 years ago. Somebody don't do good thing 20 years ago. That thing where you do 20 years. Now today they benefit her, but you not gonna know. So anything where you do, the karma day they wait for you. The karma day they wait for you. If you disrespect person or who don't help you, now so the karma go come. You to go help another person. God go let the person disrespect you. You go sit down. You go reason and say, this boy, the way I don't help her, this boy. So you don't see anything, they thank me. Now like this, you want to talk to me. Now waiting you do person. Now God pay you back. But God payment, he did trickish. The thing go feel rate 5 years, 10 years. The thing he never pay you. But the payment go come and be God own. So anything where you they do or me I they do. And then they do say praise me or cherish me or appreciate me. And they do one say tomorrow come and go come. Now so me I they do my things. And now so the life is supposed to be. He get person. Person. When me, they promote for something, for some in business where in they do. Me, they promote them for your own business where in they do. 1 naira self, I not get inside. I just won't promote them. You know what thing happen? Your own best friend, come meet me. They spoil and they give me, say, man, no promoter and a bad person. He talk to me like evening. The same evening now do video now promote the brother. You know what happen? The brother where me promote. He don't know say a friend don't come spoil and give me. He don't know and me not tell her anything. I not tell her. I not vomit anything. Tell her. I rest the matter. I just do my promotion like 3 times for her. When I know what happen next. A day night the brother where me promote where in friend spoil and give me so. In the brother with that friend again, the are two come organize. Say they go bring my channel down. And who he won't go discuss to? He don't know say the person to my best friend. Who me won't promote? Where they tell me say man no promote and a bad person. As he finish, he go meet that person. And the are two plans say they go bring me down. Because me na Ghana and them na Nigeria. They say they go just spend like 1,000. They go organize boys. They go bring my channel down. I not tell her. Till today, me with her, we they see, we they talk. But I not tell her, say, see what you talk. You tell person, and me no. I not mind her. With the two, with the our two, they see like this, we they talk. I know they mind her. It not concerning me. Say now you say you won't bring the channel down. Now that same channel, I take promote you. You chop more than 2,000 and over euro on that business where me promote for you. But the same channel will give you that money, you will say you won't bring am down. God dey now, they see our too. He dey. So anything where you do, just open your heart, your mind, do it. Move. That be the only thing. Just move. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. You can do. But anything where you do too, wait say they go pay you back. Hey, that's so it just be. I know person will be like say, before you be my best friend, but today they go right to YouTube, say my channel, and they talk abuse, and they do this, and they harass people, and they bully people. You know, say YouTube today smart. Anything, if person copyright your music, they go write, they go tell you, say this is also email, this is also person, they don't copyright you. So if you do something on YouTube, if they won't follow you up, they know where the email come. The particular phone will get that email, they go show you, say this is also phone. The location of the email, they go tell you, because now phone number and everything you do. But we they see, we waiting concern we. Sometimes their mind, they tell them, say maybe YouTube now your life. Maybe YouTube now your life. Who know me for us to hear? You know, get there. Every morning I dey my train, I dey go my work, I go close, evening I go come. My wife ask, I mean to they talk, and I hear him voice for house. If he dey house, when I go hear, he dey walk, I dey walk. Day where I know they walk, I go do my video. Now where I dey here, no be entertain, we dey entertain. Some way no go work today too. All of us we dey vibe, we dey educate. And so the thing just be. Thank you, my people. Ma prepare go outside. Ma check 1 or 2 message. Clement, he said, make it says, bro. Bridget, he said, good morning, Bridget, good morning. Bella, he said, don't ever breach, bro. You have nice color. Black is beauty. No Caro White. I hear my brother, no Caro White. We don't go use Caro White. He said, bro, check my message. Okay, he said, and my family love you. Thank you, Silva. Clement, he said, thank you. He said, thank God nobody invites you. Now, if you tire, pack and go. You people always try to have authority over another person's life. No nonsense. Okay, my brother, thank you. Clement and Brown. Okay, thank you very much. You good as you reply. If you don't want to watch, you go. Nobody say they force you. The video, we don't talk about the main issue. We dey here, we dey vibe with my people. I don't know in problem. Maybe they send and come. Now fine, go. Thank everybody where you watch me. May God bless you. Precious good. I greet you. All of you now. I really appreciate you now for liking, sharing, and subscribing to Relax in Europe TV. Till next time. Adios. They say no rob Caro White too, and if you want rob that one, now your own problem. I greet you now. Bye.